I'll walk you through the steps to upload and load datasets into Google Colab. Let's get started. First, open your Google Colab notebook. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a folder icon. Click on this to open the Files sidebar. In the Files sidebar, click the Upload button. This button is located at the top left of the sidebar and looks like an upward arrow with a line under it. A file dialog will appear. Navigate to the location on your computer where your dataset is stored. Select the file and click Open. Your dataset will start uploading to the session storage. You'll see the progress and confirmation once the upload is complete. After the file is uploaded, you'll see it listed in the File sidebar. Click the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Copy Path. This copies the file's path to your clipboard. Switch back to your notebook and open a code cell. Paste the file path you copied into the code cell. Use the file path to load your dataset into a data frame. For example, if you're using pandas, you can just use the following code snippet. Click the Run button or press Shift+Enter to execute the code. Your dataset will be loaded into the data frame and displayed. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.